Oh dear, it's raining again.
Maybe we could pretend we're somewhere else. Like Spain.
Oh, a Spanish holiday. That's just what we need.
How are we gonna do that? Does someone have a private jet?
No, Gulliver, but we all have big imaginations. Hang on, I'll get my guitar.
Guitar? Good luck with that. You won't travel far in a guitar, as me great-granny always said.
Off we go.
Holiday, me and my family are going far away. We're going to an airport to get on a plane. I think we're going to Spain.
What to pack? I'm going to need my snorkel and my sun hat. My bathing suit and school book, no I won't need that. And I better leave the neighbor's cat goodbye.
I want to fly. He wants to fly away amongst the trees and the buzzing bees, and sing and dance and laugh and play with my imagination on my Spanish holiday.
Sunshine shining down on me today. Hooray! I'm going to get my bucket and spade and go to the beach to have fun and play.
What to eat? Am I gonna eat some tapas or something sweet? Perhaps I'll try some tortilla or paella, but I'll probably just end up having chips. Yeah, chips.
I want to fly. He wants to fly away amongst the trees and the buzzing bees, and sing and dance and laugh and play with my imagination on my Spanish holiday. Back on the plane, do we have to go? I want to stay and sing and dance like in a cabaret with my new friends in Spain.
Ah, that was fun!